Well, hi everybody, and good Wednesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski after a not a surprise snow yesterday, but a surprise at how much we got yesterday. Well, things are going to be much quieter out there for today as we see a lot more sunshine out there, kind of a continuation of yesterday afternoon's sunshine that we saw work in. There are going to be some clouds to the southwest, maybe even a few flurries to the southwest, and then also out towards Lincoln, maybe a few flurries very early this morning. Otherwise, a cold and breezy start, so wind chills are below zero for most of us, and it's going to stay cold today, even with the sunshine. Temperatures only in the teens and 20s to the east and in the central part of the viewing area, 30s to the west and southwest. So not a great day out there for your Wednesday. Tonight, back down into the cold category in the teens and single digits, but thankfully not as much wind. Some passing clouds, perhaps even a few flurries. As we get towards tomorrow morning, there is the possibility of a band of some snow setting up from around, I'd say about Ainsworth to Hebron on eastward. There's the possibility of maybe a little bit of snow falling out of that band as that kind of slowly shifts to the east. But the clouds associated with that are going to have a big impact on the weather tomorrow, depending on where they end up being. So eastern Nebraska, you're going to struggle. Central Nebraska around the Tri-Cities, I'm thinking the clouds are going to hold tough much of the day, which means temps may struggle and stay only in the 20s for highs, maybe getting close to 30. Now you get to the sunshine out west, warmer air is actually going to be trying to move in. So we'll see 30s, 40s, even possibly some 50s in the southwestern corner of the state. So a nicer day for them compared to most of us. But for today, it will be a chilly day, low to mid-20s up north. To the west, we're looking at temperatures into the 30s, and in fact, near 40 degrees in Imperial and McCook. In the south, we're looking at temperatures between about 22 in Aurora to as warm as 37 in Plainville, Kansas. And to the east, chillier conditions with highs upper teens, lower to mid-20s. Now, for your extended forecast, again, most of the next 7 days staying cold. In fact, our long-range forecast shows that we're going to stay under this colder weather pattern for what could be a couple of weeks yet here. Really, the only day that's above average is on Friday with a brief warm-up here. Again, talking about that chance of some light snow to the east on Thursday. As for your snow chances over the weekend, as we see those temperatures drop off, well, right now the better chance looks to come on Saturday as opposed to Sunday. There's only one forecast model showing Sunday chances, and it's not a very reliable forecast model, so I'm only going with a very small chance of snow, but it does look like colder air is going to move on Sunday. Now, as for Saturday, there aren't a lot of snow, forecast models showing snow on Saturday either for us. They're keeping the better chances to the south. But there is one forecast model that kind of insists on it staying around our area, but it's still kind of favoring the southern and southwestern parts of the viewing area for the best chances of snow Saturday. So it's not out of the question we could see a decent snowfall, but it's just that the odds are, as at this point, most of us will miss out or only see very light accumulations of snow at best. So I'm only going small chances of snow over the weekend. Next week, get rid of the snow chances, but it stays on the chilly side for Monday and Tuesday, and that may continue through much of next week. So not a great news forecast out there. It looks like, at least for most of us, not a lot of additional snow unless that changes for the weekend, but temperature-wise, just not going to warm up a whole lot other than Friday. Our days don't look overly pleasant. Maybe that will change as we get into March, but for the rest of February, most of our days don't look that grand. So there's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you have a great Wednesday.